This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for your life. First, download the Notion application or access it through your web browser. Then, create a new workspace. You can start with a blank page or explore the many pre-built templates available. These templates cover areas like task management, habit tracking, and personal journaling, making it easy to jumpstart your organization. Notion offers a versatile platform to centralize all your personal information. Managing your tasks and projects in Notion is incredibly efficient. Create a dedicated database for all your tasks, adding properties like due dates, priority levels, and status. You can then link these individual tasks to larger project pages, providing a comprehensive view of your progress. Utilize filters and sorts to prioritize your workload, ensuring you focus on what's most important. This structured approach helps you maintain clarity and meet your deadlines consistently. Notion excels as a personal knowledge management system. You can create a digital library for all your notes, articles, and research. Build a linked wiki to connect related concepts and information, making it simple to navigate your knowledge base. Employ tags, categories, and powerful search functions to quickly find any piece of information you need. This ensures that your valuable insights and resources are always accessible and well-organized, enhancing your learning and recall. Achieving your personal goals and building positive habits is straightforward with Notion. Create a simple habit tracker using a database, marking off daily or weekly progress. For goal setting, dedicate a page to each major objective, outlining steps and milestones. Regularly review your progress, perhaps weekly or monthly, to assess what's working and what needs adjustment. This consistent tracking and reflection will significantly boost your accountability and help you reach your aspirations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.